Hey folks, Mark Zalmanoff here, your favorite friendly neighborhood Make Good Choices Ninja, back with some more easy food prep tips to help you eat healthy, make good choices. So today, I'm gonna share with you one of my very, very favorite things, Bob's Mighty Tasty Hot Cereal. So if you're not familiar with Bob's Red Mill, they're an organic brand. They typically have flour and oats and things, but I found this Mighty Tasty Hot Cereal, and trust me, it's mighty tasty. I found this several years ago and then it disappeared, and I recently found it again. Super excited, ordered it on Amazon. I think I had to order like 7 bags of it. But anyway, this is super simple to make. Boiling water, a little bit of salt, throw it in the pot, stir it up, 10 minutes, and you're done. So what I do is on the weekend, I'll make 3 to 5 servings of this. I'll portion it out into individual containers. Now for every serving, I'm adding about a teaspoon of butter, real butter, not fake weird shit, just actual real butter. And then you can add whatever you want to it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of honey, a little bit of brown sugar. Obviously be mindful of how much you're adding to it, but this stuff is super delicious. In the wintertime, it warms my soul and my stomach. And it's really, really good and super easy to make. So I highly recommend it. Again, go to Amazon, order you 78 bags of this. I mean, you'll have it for a millennium or so, but whatever, you know, it's easy to fix and it's delicious. Share it with your friends. I'm not gonna bore you with like how to make it because the instructions are on here and it's easy. That's why I'm showing it to you. If you have any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. Try this out, hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you do. Let me know what you add to it. And thanks for tuning in. As always, get out there, make good choices.